At Product Forge, we normally run hackathons on bigger, more broad topics such as health or tourism. But here this weekend we wanted to tackle an issue that's more niche and specific: private renting.
Renting is becoming more long-term. To think you come out of college, buy a house, have a family. People don't live like that anymore.
We all rent, but we've never really thought about how technology can help us.
If you look at the policy, at the regulation, that's moved on a lot over the last 20 years. And management techniques, the way how landlords and tenants interact with each other are still the same. It's paper-based, it's phone-based.
There's something about social justice in this for me. A lot of times the private rented sector is not available to people who need it.
When you are a developer, you focus so much on the final product that you forget that someone else is going to use it. So it's interesting to know how what we are doing is useful.
I'm here to remind participants that there are people at the center of things they're building. How would members of the public benefit from what's being built?
It's good to collaborate, speak to other people and just to hear about other people's ideas and not just be restricted to my own thinking.
So they're all coming at it from different angles, different approaches, all thinking about how data can actually be used effectively to help the sector. It's an exciting place to be.
There's thousands of people that are going to be in the private rented sector for most of their lives. Making people feel secure and happy in their home is a human right.